Hi everyone, this is Diwakar Singh. Welcome to day 3 of learning C++ language. Today in this video we will learn about how a computer runs a code, and also we will learn about IDE setups and write our first program on computer. So uh, I will explain a code, hello world code, line by line, and what are the meaning of each and every line while writing a code, and I will upload a next video today in which I will tell you how to write a code on screen. So let's go. First line is how a code runs. So in order to judge how a code runs, we will make a flow chart showing how a code actually works. That is, if we give instructions to the computer, how it understand that instructions, what are the basic steps involved in it. First we write a source code on any IDE setup. I will talk what are IDE setups later. IDE setups के बारे में बाद करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल गिव सोर्स कोड टू द कंप्यूटर विल अंडरस्टैंड द सोर्स कोड एंड देन it will we will learn about a term which is compiler. We will talk about compiler, but before learning compiler we need to understand why actually we need compiler. So the machine understands only binary language is that machine understand zeros and functions in the form of zeros and ones only. That is, whenever we give machine any instruction to perform a work, it can't understand our daily to daily language. Like we say machine, there are two numbers 2 and 5 and you have to do 2 plus 5. Then we can't write this in English that a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, do the function that is find a number c which is a plus b, that is 2 plus 5. Machine can't understand that. It only understand the language of zeros and ones, which is a binary language. That is a machine understandable language. So in order to convert a source code into a machine understandable language, we use a compiler. So compiler is a convert source code in executable format. That is, compiler का काम क्या होता है? Compiler source code को convert करता है executable format के बेस के अंदर, ठीक है ना, जो कि machine understandable होता है. So we write a source code on the IDE setup, then we will run the code. The compiler will convert code in a executable format which is in the form of zeros and ones. That is a binary language and or machine understandable language, and we will get the desired output. Now, what are the works of compiler? So works of compiler are translation and finding errors. Works of compiler are translation and finding errors. Next is IDE setup. So IDE setup are of many types like code blocks, VS Code. How to install these IDE setups you can easily learn from any YouTube video, or also there is a less known thing which is REPL-IT. REPL-IT is also IDE setup which you can easily Google, or you can easily open its page on Chrome, and then you have to create a C++ file or C file or Python file, whichever you want, and then you can code there, which is also a good option. So these are the IDE setups: code blocks, VS Code और REPL-IT, जहाँ पे हम कोड लिखते हैं. Now we will write first program, that is hello world program. So this is the hello world program. You can see here the first line is #include IO stream. First I will read the code and then I will make you understand about the code line by line in the given space. So this is using if we read on first line, I have written #include IO stream. Then comes using namespace standard. Then there is a space in the third line. In the fourth line we have written int main. We have used some brackets, you can see. Then in next line we have written cout hello world, और then यहाँ पे हम we are using endl file or the /n file, and then we have simply close the code. This is the overview. You can take a screenshot, you can see the code here which is written. This is a simple hello world code. Now I will make you understand this code line by line. So the first line is #include IO stream. So what is this #include IO stream? This is a file where we will write a code. That is, while writing a code, we have to basically show that file somewhere. So that's why we are using a IO stream file. इस IO stream file पे हमारा कोड रन करेगा. Next is using namespace standard. What are namespace standards? So there are basically different type of namespaces. The code we will write here will be located will be memory located in these namespace files. Next comes align int main. Int main is also a file. int main के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे. Next come the cout hello world. So next comes cout. What is this cout? So cout is cout is cout is a space. Cout is a space where our code will be stored. So this is cout. Next comes the end l or slash n term. End l or slash n terms have same meanings. That is, they both are alternative to the end l और स्लैश एन दे आर बोथ अल्टरनेटिव टू द एंटर. जैसे कि हम किसी चीज लाइन को बदलने के लिए एंटर का यूज़ करते हैं. सो सेम वही काम होता है एंड एल और स्पेस एन का. सो दिस इज द एंड दिस एरो इज एक्चुअली फॉर कंपाइलेशन flow. So this is the meaning of each and every term I have told you. Now we will write the first code on our screen. That is a hello world code. So this is the screen of my laptop. I hope this is visible here. So what is the first line we have to write? We have to write hashtag include IO stream next line is using namespace standard. Next is end main next is cout hello world. And L to change the line. Now we will run the code. So you can see the code execution is successful. We get output as hello world. No, so if we want to run any another thing, like we want to say run my name is Divakar, so we simply write my name is Divakar Singh, and then we will run the code from here. Simply you can say again output is my name is Divakar Singh. Now let's take another example, like I have to run, I have to run I love karan aujla. Sorry, we will run code here, and here comes the output I love karan aujla. So this was it, this was the video. I can again understand, I can make you again understand the meaning of each and every line. So we use hashtag include iostream because it is a file where we will save the code we have written. Next line is using namespace expanded, these are the memory locations where our code will run. Next is int main. Int main is a file where the code execution will be done, and then we are writing this cout program, cout file, and end l, or we can also use like if we use instead of end l we use this character, that is this character, and we run the code, then also code execution is successful. And you can also see that because of using this /n file we get another line that is a int, because this is actually equivalent to int, it will create a new line also, and the code execution is successful, I love karan aujla. That's it. So this was the video, hope you understand each and every topic, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.